So welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. If you do not want to miss out on any updates, follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD. First thing first, we need to know what the trend is on our AUD USD. That is the first thing. And as you can clearly see, AUD USD is in an uptrend move. Now take a look at what AUD USD gave us. We had this first high that AUD USD gave us. Then here comes the higher low. AUD USD was able to push up to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Then AUD USD push up one more time to form a new higher high. And this here is our higher low. Now probably an equal higher low by the way. So this is an equal higher low which came to our previous higher low level, right? Which can now serve as a support level, right? Now our next movement on AUD USD will be, so we should be anticipating for a buy for the day on our AUD USD. So once the market opens, we should start looking for a buy setup that will make AUD USD to push up and give us a bullish for the day. So make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated on more, right? Click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates. Like, share, and also make your comments.